Attention. And all you lovely people on board. This is for you. Okay, Rob, back of the net. That means go.
Exits and walkways must be kept clear at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seats in front of you.
So you heard him, move it!
In-flight entertainment monitors should be folded away.
That's it! Find the space! Slot it through! Close it down! Shimmy to the left! Shimmy to the...
Still got it? Thank you.
Well done! Continue, Rob.
Sorry. Continue, Rob.
Please fasten your seatbelt for takeoff and landing. Insert the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. And to adjust, pull the strap to tighten the belt. If you're seated in one of our forward-facing premium cabins, pull the shoulder strap across your chest and attach it like this. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart.
Now remember, when the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you must, and I repeat must, remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened.
If you plan to sleep during the flight,
Gather round.
please take a moment to locate the emergency exits in your seat. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Paper lighting will guide you to the emergency exit. In case of emergency landing on board, evacuation slides will serve as right. And please remember to remove all high-heel shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind.
Perhaps you should just talk us through the smoking bit, Rob.
We operate a non-smoking policy at all times on board all our aircraft, including electronic smoking devices. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and
Or underneath your seat. Lewandowski, come and join me.
when instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket after leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards.
No, don't hold to it. Wait until you're outside.
You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention and a light that will automatically illuminate when in water. Infant life jackets will be distributed by cabin crew.
Rob, you better run the film when I get this lot sorted out.
To help with final preparations for takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the fully upright position. Your window blind is up, your tray table is folded up, and your seatbelt is fastened. Own star. Mr. Neymar, if you could just pick up that below the camera. No, the other thing. Take it away.
The Q-suite door will be locked in the open position by the crew and should remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing.
That's very correct. You've seen the film, now read the card. You'll find it in the seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help.
Of course, if you're travelling in the premium cabin, the Q-Suite safety card is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures in case your suite door is jammed in the closed position.
And now you can enjoy that blockbuster you picked out from your 4,000 plus entertainment options on your Oryx One.
London Heathrow Airport Terminal 1. The local time.
Cabin crew design.